So guys, just a quick one. I said let me show us how to check for violation on your profile page or your profile or your Facebook profile, either your Facebook page or your Facebook profile, how to check for violations. Because most times if you're working towards, as a content creator, working towards monetization, if you have violations on on your Facebook page or your Facebook profile, it could be an hindrance to the monetization of your page or your profile. Okay, so I want to show us how you can easily, so simple, so easy, it's not going to take your time, how you can just go to your your alert area to remove those violations. Now, how did these violations come? They come when you upload other people's content or maybe make use of musics or sounds that's have been copyrighted, so they pick it up and put it on the violation list. And as long as they are there on your Facebook page or Facebook profile, it could hinder the monetization of that Facebook page or profile. Okay, so what you do, the first thing is this. Now this is my profile, this is my Facebook profile. I turned my Facebook profile into a professional mode. Okay, that's why you see professional dashboard here. Okay, so here now, that's here. So what we want to go back to where we can do the check for the violation. We want to go to where we can check for the violation. So you go back to this area, then you click here, and it brings you to this place, to the menu of your profile or your page. Okay, so all you do, you scroll, this your menu, you scroll up to till you get to see more. Okay, under the see more, you see a question mark that has help and support. Click on that help and support. So under the help and support, there are drop downs there. We have the help center, creator support, account status, support inbox. Okay, where we are working is on support inbox, so you click on support inbox. Okay, it opens up, then you get reports. Now you have reports about others. That is when you discover some people are trying to hack your account or trying to spam your account. You don't just like what they are posting. Those that post nude pictures or videos, posting rubbish on your post, maybe trying to tag you. This is where you report them. Okay, then the other one is your alerts. Okay, when you click on this alert, you get to see, you say no violations. Before now, there was a day I checked on, when I checked on it and I saw that I had it was more than 100 violations. Like, since I've started I've opened my profile, they have just been dumping it there for me, and I never knew about it until I got to know. So if you are in the same shoe that I was then, without knowing that I've been violating, please go check on your profile, check on your alerts on your support inbox, check on your alerts, check to see if you have been violating the Facebook policy. Okay, and then try to remove them. You're going to just have to delete or remove all those videos. Just remove them. It will tell you, it will give you the videos. Okay, all you need to do is to click on remove this video and you remove all of them. Don't mind whether it has a lot of views, it doesn't matter. Just remove them, because they will cause harm to your Facebook profile or your Facebook page, and we hinder the monetization of that page. And also, it affected me in the fact that my page was not recommended. Okay, so after removing all of them, I saw that one day I woke up to see that my Facebook profile now have recommendation. Before, it was not recommended, but right now Facebook is recommending my videos, and that is why I get views on my videos. So try to do this and see yourself go viral, getting views as much as you wanted, until I bring you to another video. Stay blessed. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and share this video to others, so that they get to know what to do when it seems as if their Facebook profile or page is not recommendable, or somehow they have gotten to every criteria for monetization and they are not yet monetized, or most likely they are just building their Facebook page or profile and did not even know about this. So share so that they get to know about it. Thank you so very much.